Hi, I'm Henrik. I'm going to talk about the Portunus stabilization system, a new and unique system that's designed to counter the premature cable and cable protection system fatigue that is plaguing the offshore wind industry and is the main cause for the cable and cable protection system failures that is plaguing the industry and is the main cause of the very high number of insurance claims in the offshore wind industry. In my presentation, I'm going to talk about the main causes behind these failures, what is causing the cable and cable protection system failures, and how this development, this Portunus stabilization system counters these failures, and how it is a beneficial, economical and ecological measure for both existing infrastructure and new projects, new developments. How it also is a very beneficial tool for both installation contractors and developers in the future. So I hope it has a broad interest in the industry, and I look forward to see you in both this presentation and in the other very interesting presentations in Amsterdam this year. So look forward to see you at the venue, hopefully to interesting discussions at my presentation and in the interesting sessions and discussions. Bye for now. Thank you.